Hey, yo, hey, hey, I can hear those, yo, yo, I can catch those hoes.
Sanibonani. Igama lami Sesethu Khosana. I'm originally from the Eastern Cape, kodwa ngihlala eKZN okwamanje eDurban. I'm going to show you the sneaker that I designed from a competition where we had to customize the sneakers in under 35 minutes. What inspired the concept of this design was my favorite cartoons, Rick and Morty. I had him turn himself into an African man, giving him ibeshu and brown skin, as you can see here. It's like he's saying, "This is Africa, and I am Shaka Zulu Rick," and the leopard print is to represent Africa, the Africanness in it. So now I am going to show you the design that Sean had customized for me. Okay, this was his design. I like the similarities between the two sneakers. Like, he had Africa in it, leopard print, even zebra lines. So now I'm gonna try the sneakers on and we'll see them how they look on my feet.
Smooth, hey, smooth, no, smooth.
Shout out to Sportson, shout out to Reebok, shout out to that damn Vandal. You can get these classic sneakers at any Sportson outlet, but obviously they won't be customized. And you can check my work on Instagram. See you guys later. Bye.
Rockstar, no